How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the pre-launch error or pre-launch task C++ GCC.exe. Basically, it's this error right here. And it's extremely simple to fix this problem. So if you try to run something similar like this code onto your VS Code, it will have this problem right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply right click on VS Code right here, and you could just simply delete it. Now, the reason why there's a VS Code on your project folder is because VS Code automatically created it, and we are just going to change its preset. So just delete it. And then right after, you then want to exit the terminal, or you could press the exit button right here. And for the next one, you just want to simply run your code normally. And since it doesn't have the VS Code popped up on the actual project that we have, it will then ask you on where you want to simply launch it. So the reason why we're having this problem is because maybe you have selected this one. So you want to make sure that you select the C++ or C++ G++.exe. And so after selecting this, you won't have your problem. It will run normally on your terminal and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.